Let's go.
I'm a mother, lover, fighter, rider, sister to the game, a survivor, a thriver.
This is the first time I'm performing in Durban. Every time I come to South Africa, it doesn't matter where I am, always warm welcome. And the people love good music here.
Having an international musician coming to our shows and experiencing what Durban is about, they can go back and speak about the various products that we have.
If we were watching the NBA playoffs, I would want to be here downstairs and where those benches are with that big TV.
We feel honored to have such a wonderful, beautiful mother, family to come to the township. Township is where, when you see all our leadership, they are coming from.
I don't think we have anything like this that I've seen in the States other than maybe LA. But this is the norm in South Africa, so that's very, very fun.
You're just a free